Hi friends, this is from SQL School Sai Fanendra, one of the chief trainers from the technology, database and technology space. This is to inform you about new upcoming schedules for June 3rd week 2026. As you all know, we have been into trainings, projects, placements and internship programs for last 2 decades, helping and shaping up more than 1 lakh professionals across the globe. In this short video, let's have a look at the upcoming schedules for various technologies. Let's get started. Let's start with the first course, Microsoft SQL. We have 4 different schedules to suit your learning needs. If you want to become an SQL developer, a senior database administrator, a senior data engineer, or data analyst, this particular course will surely help you a lot to optimize your profile. Number 2, we have Azure Data Engineer. Azure Data Engineer is one of the most demanded technology in the IT market right now. You want to become a data engineer or a BI developer, business intelligence BI developer, or a ETL developer, extract, transform, load, ETL developer. This particular data engineer with 2 real-time projects, a 3-month solid course will definitely make you an SME, subject matter expert. Number 3, the third one, we have Databricks. One of the amazing technology full of AI and agentic activities. The Databricks is mainly for big data and data warehouse concepts. With big data analytics and Delta Lake implementations, this Databricks course is for sure one of the boon for your resume, a feather in your cap, learning cap. We have 3 different schedules to suit your learning needs. Pick any one if you wanted to really get ready for your next generation technologies. In fact, this entire Databricks is a part of my previously mentioned data engineering course. So my preference, go for the second course, data engineering, the previous course. But in case you're already aware of data engineering, then you can master only the Databricks module of data engineering. Choice is yours, it's up to you. Fourth course, we have Power BI. Visualizations, dashboards, reporting, analytics are the main activities we do as a Power BI developer or a data analyst. In this particular course, I will be teaching you from scratch all 8 tools in Power BI, plus 3 important technologies, Copilot, Power Query and DAX, and 2 great hosting solutions, Power BI Report Server and Power BI Service. So 8 tools plus 3 technologies plus 2 hosting solutions is what you get with 2 real-time projects from this awesome Power BI detailed step-by-step practical course. Next, we have Python. As you all know, without Python, no data stack. Without Python, no data engineering, no data analysis, no development, and no AI. Really, Python is everywhere around us. And you wanted to really master Python? Yes, of course, Python is a part of our data analyst course. Python is a part of our data engineering course. But in case if someone really wanted to master Python completely, it is for them a programmer level course, a engineer level course, a developer level course for detailed step-by-step learning process. This course is for you guys and we are waiting for your attendance. Next, we have Python with AI/ML. This particular course is exclusively launched for the purpose of AI engineers and ML engineers learning requirement needs. AI/ML activities needs complete stable Python module based learning. There are good number of modules in Python we need to learn to master the LLMs, to master the agents that we create at our job desk. This course covers it all. Next we have Snowflake. If you are looking for open source data engineering technologies, if you are looking for a hardcore database technology with warehousing environments and analytics. With DBT, Data Build Tool and Cortex AI, we have Snowflake for you. Usually, Azure Data Engineer and Snowflake combination also works for experienced professionals. You plan your resume and we are here to beautify it. Or you come to us and we can plan your resume and beautify it. It's up to your choice. We are here to serve you the better day by day. We keep learning how to serve our customers better. We have SQL DBA with Azure, one of the most promising and stable technology in the IT market. SQL DBAs are completely into maintenance, management, troubleshooting, recovery, security, optimizations, migrations, updates, upgrades, and also nowadays even cloud ETL administration. We have 4 different schedules to make you a true certified DBA. Next, we also have something called Postgres DBA course, one of the awesome course, especially for experienced profiles. You wanted to learn Postgres at the next level. You wanted to learn Postgres with AI. You wanted to learn Postgres with agents creations. Then yes, we warmly welcome you to join our Postgres demo classes. Interact with our trainer. You will see the actual difference. You will see the actual zeal in the beauty of Postgres being exposed in our training classes. We are here, guys. We are here to beautify your resume in whatever way we can or whatever way you want. We will do it. That's our duty at SQL School. That's it from my end for now, for the upcoming week schedules, and see you there in our actual live classes. I am Sai Fanendra and I am the owner of this small institute, and we are here serving lakhs of participants across the globe. I am the watchman of SQL School and I will be your caretaker for your resume. With my experience over 20 years since my first job at Microsoft BGIT project as a SQL DBA, I started my journey in 2005. I am pretty sure I can optimize your resume with my experience, my exposure, and my skill set that has been proved for years with my customers. Thank you so much and see you there in our actual live classes. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you so much.